Are you looking for the best place to buy a GMC truck or SUV in Central Florida? Look no further than Central Buick GMC in Winter Haven. For over 50 years, this dealership has been a trusted name in the community, serving buyers from Orlando to Lakeland and beyond. Central Buick GMC has an extensive inventory of new GMC trucks and SUVs. You can find models like the Sierra 1500, Sierra HD, and Canyon, as well as popular SUVs such as the Yukon, Acadia, and Terrain. With competitive pricing and current factory incentives, it's the perfect time to buy. Need a capable truck? The Sierra 1500 is available in various trims, and current offers can save you up to $13,220 off MSRP. If you require something more heavy-duty, check out the Sierra HD, which offers great towing capacity. For those who prefer SUVs, the GMC Yukon is a full-size vehicle with advanced technology. Meanwhile, the Acadia serves families with its versatile 3-row seating, and the compact Terrain provides excellent fuel economy. What makes Central Buick GMC special? They offer complimentary delivery anywhere in Central Florida, ensuring a hassle-free buying experience. Their certified service department is staffed with factory-trained technicians for maintenance and repairs, making sure your vehicle stays in top shape. Don't worry about financing either. Central Buick GMC works with multiple lenders to assist buyers with financing options, regardless of credit situation. Plus, you can complete your entire purchase online with their Shop Click Drive service. Ready to find your next GMC? Visit Central Buick GMC in Winter Haven or explore their website to shop the latest models. Get pre-approved or schedule your delivery today. Don't miss out on amazing deals at the best GMC dealership in Central Florida.